Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. This is season 4 based on the book The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. Thank you so very much for those who are listening to my podcast, appreciating me. Thank you so much. So after the very famous 20-20-20 formula to help to wake up you early in the morning at 5 a.m. and how to maintain a balance between that by effectively having a sound sleep of minimum of 7.5 hour. That balance is going to create most out of this victory hour from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. So now today in the next episode, that is episode number 17, I'm going to discuss the 10 tactics of lifelong geniuses. That is 10 important habits or the processes they are following in the daily life. That is what we are going to see. Actually in the book they have explained these 10 tactics in a very detailed manner, but I am going to just give you an overview. If you are really interested in knowing these 10 tactics at detail, please go through the book. So the number 1 tactic is the tight bubble of total focus. That is short, it is known as TBTF. That is the tight bubble of total focus. In this time you have to avoid any kind of digital or other distractions, or to you should not go out. You should be in your place at which are distracted, which is not surrounded by any distraction. So here you have to take time for yourself and you have to focus on which you really want to do. It can be your reading, it can be your meeting, it can be your working on yourself, to reading, improving on some skills, anything. But that is known as the tight bubble of total focus, where you are not allowing any distraction or any kind of other addictions like TV, mobile, or blah blah blah. Now the second point is the 90/90/1 rule. Yes, so 90 days / 90 minute/1 activity. So if you really want to excel, if you really want to be an expert in any one activity, you have to give at least 90 minutes for 90 days, and then you can excel in that one activity. It can be swimming, it can be reading, it can be writing, it can be communication skill, anything. The third tactic is the 60/10 method. That is you don't have to work linearly. That is without any break and just working, and then at the end getting saturated and fatigued and exhausted and not enjoying your life. You don't have to do that. It should not be a linear thing. It should always be an oscillation kind of thing, sine wave, So you have to work for 60 minutes throughout 60 minutes and focus on your work. Then give a break for at least 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes you can relax. You can just to recharge your battery. You have to recharge the battery. Then for another 60 minutes you can keep on working. So oscillation kind of work pattern is very important. So the tactic number 4 is daily 5 concept. So over here you have to plan out in your victory hour small tiny 5 targets each day. So in a month it will be 150 targets which you have achieved and planned, and then in a year it will be 1825, that is 1825 tiny high value targets which you have achieved. So your entire year will become very fruitful. Tactic number 5 is the second wind workout, that is 2WW. So early in the morning, the first pocket from 5 to 5:20 we are exercising and we are getting our sweat out. So similarly in the evening also, to get fresh, to uh, have the most out of the evening, you also can have a 1 hour of nature walk. You can go to a yoga class, you can have a long sleigh mountain bike ride. It will help you to recharge and to make the most out of your evening, and to spend a quality time with your family and friends. Tactic number 6 is to massage protocol. So over here you have to plan weekend wise at least 2 90 minutes massage, because here if you are relaxed, you are physically, spiritually, you are feeling out of this world, then you can be in a state where you can do all your things with genius like efficiency. Now the 7th point is traffic university. Traffic university means while nowadays when we are spending most of our time while traveling in the car, like in aeroplane and wherever, in during train. So during that traveling time, you have to utilize that time to study, listen to podcasts. If you are traveling through train, you can read a book. So that is known as traffic university. Now 8th point is the dream team technique. So if you want to live a world-class life, you have to have a dream team along with you. You have to have a fitness trainer, a nutritionist, a massage therapist, a financial advisor, a relationship advisor, a spiritual counselor. Yes. So yes, we can do that. We can have it. Initially you will think that how is it possible right now? But if you will plan, if you will think of it, we can have these all a dream team along with us to make our life more successful and more world class. Now the 9th technique is the weekly design system. Here we are going to carve out and then visualize 30 minutes every Sunday to create our blueprint for a beautiful week. And the last is the 60-minute student. So at least for 1 hour you have to give yourself, you have to become a student once again, and you have to read something related to your your passion, your business, your career, to grow, to improve. You review your journals, you go for an online program, you talk to your mentor or watch some motivational and related videos. So these are the 10 tactics the world class leaders are using every day, so that they can maintain and they can go on improving, growing daily. So I think this is up. If you have any doubt, please do let me know, and thank you so very much. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is under the same name, Sangrila with Ila Anantacharya. And if you have any doubt, please contact me on my social media accounts. Thank you.